In today's lesson, we'll do the teardown of the Revolve 810. First, start off by closing the lid completely flat. Flip over, remove the battery with the sponge. Move up to a 45-degree angle and lift. Disconnect. Set over to the side. Now, in today's lesson, just to bring it short, I'm using the iFixit kit. It comes with all the tools you need. It's got the plastic tools, it has all the plunges, all the tool bits, and then I'm using the mat to store my parts. First off, we're going to take off the service cover, which you're going to have to remove some Phillips screws, so you have to get the PH00 2.0 screw. First you want to remove the plastic little seals from each screw. Doesn't matter how you get them off, just to get them off. They don't do anything for the computer, they're just there for show. Now you're going to remove the screws. Some of them are stationary, so you want to just loosen them. Take that one out, and you want to keep the screws together because they're all different lengths. Now you want to remove the two screws that are located here and here. Make sure the SD, the micro SD, there's a little black piece of plastic that covers to make sure it's sealed. You want to remove that as well. Now you want to take your plunger, you want to loosen it up a little bit. You want to see if you missed anything, because it is very tricky doing with it because how small the parts are. According, like for instance, this and this screw, sometimes they don't get loosened enough. Now you will set that down. Like I said, it is very tricky trying to get the screws out. It is okay to use your fingers on these parts. Just when it comes to the actual board itself, you want to try to stay away from using your fingers. Should come up. I'm going to pull it out, set it to the side. Now that is how you remove the service cover. This is part 1 of our teardown of the 801.